Morning, everyone. Alpha Soma on this side. So we are on chapter number 9, First Indian woman mountaineer, Bachindri Pal. So we had yesterday completed the vocabulary part. Some of it is left, so let's continue with the vocabulary part. Then we will continue with the chapter explanation. Okay. So we were on, I guess, 32 or 33. Okay, so 32. Let's start with 32. Scale. Scale means what? Dimension. Scale means किसी भी चीज को नापने के लिए जो चीज है वो scale है. It is not just the scale which we use in our maths. Okay, scale means किसी भी चीज को नापने के लिए जो चीज है वो scale है. Okay, for example, I rate you 1 to 10 में से मैं आपको rate करती हूँ on the scale of 1 to 10. I rate you 2. Okay, so that is like किसी भी चीज के लिए जो measuring चीज है वो scale है. Next one is excitement. Excitement, you all know, when you बहुत जब आप बहुत उत्साहित होते हैं, बहुत आप eager होते हैं, तो that is called as excitement. Excitement means when you are happy for something. जब आप किसी चीज के लिए बहुत उत्साहित हैं, that is called as excitement. For example, the excitement for the picnic was seen on my face. पिकनिक के लिए जो excitement था, पिकनिक के लिए जो खुशी थी, वो मेरे फेस पे दिख रही थी. Next one is privileged. Privileged means जो प्रिविलेज मीन्स जो जिसके पास कोई चीज स्पेशल हो. ओके, जब भी किसी के पास कोई चीज स्पेशल होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रिविलेज्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल, बचिंद्री पाल वाज अ प्रिविलेज्ड माउंटेनियर और बचिंद्री पाल वाज अ प्रिविलेज्ड चाइल्ड. अब बचिंद्री पाल एक प्रिविलेज्ड बच्ची थी. प्रिविलेज मतलब जिसके पास कुछ स्पेशल हो, जैसे कि उसके पास माउंटेनियरिंग की कला स्पेशल है, तो वी विल कॉल इट प्रिविलेज्ड. ओके. Next one is obstacles. Obstacles means when you have trouble in something, when you आपके पास कोई मुसीबत आती है, कोई बैरियर आता है, कोई बाधा आती है, that is called as obstacle. For example, we faced obstacle while studying English. हमको English पढ़ते वक्त थोड़ी मुसीबत आई. Okay. Next one is summit. Summit is the peak of something. किसी भी चीज की कोई peak है, that is called as the summit. For example, Bachindri Pal was standing at the summit of Mount Everest. Bachindri Pal was standing at the peak of Mount Everest. Next one is accommodate. Accommodate means to fit. कहीं भी चीज में कोई fit हो जाना है, किसी चीज को fit कर लेना, that is called as accommodate. कहीं भी चीज पे कोई रहना, that is called as accommodating. For example, my house is so small, it cannot accommodate more than 5 people. मेरा घर बहुत छोटा है, इसमें 5 लोग से ज्यादा फिट नहीं हो सकते हैं, 5 लोग से ज्यादा अकोमोडेट नहीं हो सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज digging. To dig means खुदाई करना. Digging is the form of the verb dig. To dig means खुदाई करना. Okay, कोई भी चीज को खोदना. To dig, dug and it's digging then. Okay, to till something, to खुदाई करना. For example, the soldiers were digging for the well. जो soldiers थे वो कुएं के लिए खुदाई कर रहे थे. They were digging for the well. Recognition. Recognition means किसी को बहुत सम्मान मिलना, किसी को मान्यता मिलना, पहचान मिलना. That is called as recognition. For example, Bachindri Pal was a recognized mountaineer. और बचेंद्री पाल एक जानी पहचानी माउंटेनियर थी. और बचेंद्री पाल गॉट रिकग्निशन फॉर हर माउंटेनियरिंग. बचेंद्री पाल को अपनी माउंटेनियरिंग के लिए पहचान मिली, मान्यता मिली. नेक्स्ट वन इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. आउटस्टैंडिंग मीन्स एक्सलेंट, वेरी परफेक्ट. बिल्कुल ये बकाया नहीं होगा आउटस्टैंडिंग का मतलब. दिस इज द रॉन्ग मीनिंग हियर. आउटस्टैंडिंग मीन्स व्हेन समथिंग इज वेरी परफेक्ट. आप देखते होंगे ना इंडियन आइडल और इसके अंदर आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस, दैट मीन्स very good performance, बहुत ज़्यादा excellent performance. Okay. Okay, so let's move towards the chapter. Let's start with the chapter. So Bachendri Pal, she was born in the year 1954 in Nakuri village, Garhwal, presently in the state of Uttarakhand in India. Where was Bachendri Pal born? She was born in the Nakuri village of Garhwal. कहाँ पैदा हुई थी? नकुरी विलेज के अंदर, जो कि कहाँ था? गढ़वाल में. और अब गढ़वाल अब कहाँ है? इंडियन स्टेट ऑफ उत्तराखंड. उत्तराखंड जो स्टेट है इंडिया के अंदर, गढ़वाल उसमें है. और बचेंद्री पाल गढ़वाल के अंदर जो नकुरी विलेज था, शी वाज बोर्न इन दैट. शी सरमाउंटेड द पीक ऑन May 23rd, 1984. और she reached at the peak of Mount Everest on May 23rd, 1984. May 23rd को 1984 में वो माउंट एवरेस्ट की पीक पे चढ़ गई थी. At 1:07 p.m. as per the Indian Standard Time, she stood at the Sagar Math. Nepalese name for Mount Everest, and remained there with her one of her co-mountaineers for 43 minutes. So May 23rd को 1984 में 1:07 पे she was standing on the peak of Mount Everest. और वो वहां पर कितनी देर तक रही? She was standing on the peak of Mount Everest and she remained there for 43 minutes. She remained at the peak of Mount Everest for 43 minutes. Okay, where was Bachendri Pal born? We are asking, where was Bachendri Pal born? Bachendri Pal was born in Nakuri village in Garhwal. Next one. When did Bachendri Pal surmount? When did Bachendri Pal surmount? Bachendri Pal surmounted on May 23rd, 1984 at 1077 p.m. Okay. Bachendri Pal ने कब where means कहाँ and when means कब. Okay. So when did Bachendri Pal surmount? She surmounted on May 23rd, 1984 at 1:07 p.m. Next one. How long did she remain at the Mount Everest? She remained at the Mount Everest for 43 minutes. Bachendri Pal, born into a family of very limited means, was the middle one of 5 children. Now we are talking about the family of Bachendri Pal, about the personal life of Bachendri Pal. She was born into a family of very limited means. Limited means what? लिमिटेड मीन्स मतलब कुछ चीजें कम होना. जो फैमिली आपकी बहुत प्रिविलेज नहीं है, बहुत आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, देन यू कॉल इट अ फैमिली ऑफ लिमिटेड मीन्स कि हमारे पास सब कुछ लिमिटेड है, थोड़ा थोड़ा है, पैसा भी थोड़ा लिमिटेड है, फूड भी थोड़ा लिमिटेड है, सब कुछ लिमिटेड है, सब कुछ कम है. ओके, सो शी वाज बोर्न इनटू अ फैमिली ऑफ वेरी लिमिटेड मीन्स. दैट मीन्स बचेंद्री पाल की फैमिली बहुत रिच नहीं थी, थोड़ी पुअर थी. was the middle one of 5 children and Bachendri Pal, she had उनके वो लोग 5 siblings थे, 5 भाई बहन थे, and Bachendri Pal was the middle one. That means Bachendri Pal was the third one. She was an active child and did well in her schools. So she was very active as a child and she did very well in her schools. वो उन्होंने पढ़ाई में भी बहुत अच्छा किया. She distinguished herself in sports too. She was good in studies. Also, she was good in sports. Bachendri was the first exposed to mountaineering at the age of 12. So mountaineering Bachendri Pal को कब she was बताई थी और कब उन्हें पता चली कि माउंटेनियरिंग भी कोई चीज होती है? एट द एज ऑफ 12. जब वो 12 साल की थी, इतनी छोटी थी, at the age of 12 she was exposed to mountaineering. It took place during a picnic where she, along with her several schoolmates, climbed a 13,123 feet high peak. अब एक पिकनिक क्या हुआ? पिकनिक था, बचेंद्री पाल और उनके बहुत सारे क्लासमेट्स, they went for a picnic. And what did they do there? They climbed a 13,123 feet peak. ठीक है, हाई पीक. एक 13,000 फीट ऊंची पीक थी, उसके ऊपर वो लोग चढ़ गए क्लासमेट्स. They went on a picnic but they went for climbing a mountain. It had already become dark. So now what had happened? They climbed the peak. 13,000 ऊपर चढ़े हैं तो obviously बहुत टाइम लगेगा. तो चढ़ते चढ़ते उनको वहां रात हो गई and they had to spend the night there. Okay, they could not climb down and they had to spend night on the peak of the mountain. अब जो ये बच्चे ऊपर चढ़े थे, वहीं पर रात हो गई उनको चढ़ते चढ़ते, तो अब वहां पीक के ऊपर ही उनको नाइट स्पेंड करनी पड़ी. They had to spend the night on the peak without any food or without any cover. They were not having any food, they were not having any cover, so they had to spend the night on the peak of the mountain. So this incident, it was reflected in the memory of Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal के दिमाग में ये वाली जो इंसिडेंट है, ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था उनकी लाइफ में, ये फिट हो गया. In her memory, the experience remained forever. It was the beginning of her love for adventure and mountains. So now Bachendri Pal started loving mountaineering. अब उनको mountaineering पसंद आने लगी. In what type of family Bachendri Pal was born? Bachendri Pal was born in a family of very limited means. Question number 2. In what field was she distinguished? Bachendri Pal was distinguished in the field of sports. Question number 3. When was she exposed as a mountaineer? When was Bachendri Pal exposed as a mountaineer? Bachendri Pal was exposed as a mountaineer at the age of 12. Question number 4. What height did she climb in the first time? कितने हाइट चढ़ी थी बचेंद्री पाल ने फर्स्ट टाइम में? She climbed at the height of 13,123 feet. Okay, children. Okay, these 3 questions, children, you have to do in your assignment as today's assignment, and you have to submit it to me on Scholars ERP. Let's continue with the chapter. At 13, like most Garhwal girls, she was expected to leave schools and help in the house. अब गढ़वाल में क्या कल्चर था दैट लड़कियां बहुत ज्यादा स्कूल नहीं जाती थी. लड़कियां को कुछ टाइम के बाद लड़कियों को कुछ टाइम के बाद स्कूल से निकाल लिया जाता था और उनको घर के काम करवाए जाते थे. ओके, सो that was the culture in Garhwal. So similarly, Bachendri Pal was also expected to do the same. But she studied on her own at night until her determination impressed her family to let her finish high school. लेकिन वो पूरे रात रात भर पढ़ती थी, खुद से पढ़ती थी. And this determination of her, this confidence of hers, it impressed her family. और इसकी वजह से उनकी फैमिली बहुत इम्प्रेस हुई और उनको हाई स्कूल में भी पढ़ने भेजा. She still earned money by sewing in her spare time. And in what did she do in her spare time? She used to earn money by sewing. वो उसमें सिलाई करती थी. Sewing means सिलाई. Okay. तो बचेंद्री पाल सिलाई करती थी अपने स्पेयर टाइम में और वहां से पैसा कमाती थी. The principal of her school persuaded her family to send her to college. अब लेकिन बचेंद्री पाल was a bright student, so the principal of her school, what did she do? She convinced her family to send her to college. उन्होंने उनकी फैमिली को मनाया. किसने? जो प्रिंसिपल थी, उन्होंने बचेंद्री पाल की फैमिली को मनाया कि ये बहुत ब्राइट स्टूडेंट है, आप इसको कॉलेज में भी पढ़ने भेजो. So बचेंद्री पाल went to college. Now in college, she beat both boys and girls in rifle shooting and other competitions. तो वहां पे कॉलेज में बचेंद्री पाल ने क्या किया? राइफल शूटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स में लड़कों और लड़कियों दोनों को हराया. She became the first girl of her village to complete her graduation. So now Bachendri Pal becomes the first girl who completed her graduation. She also secured first position in a rifle shooting event. एक बार कॉलेज में राइफल शूटिंग इवेंट हुआ और वहां पे भी उसने उसमें फर्स्ट पोजीशन सिक्योर की. वहां पे भी she beat the other boys and girls in her college days. Later on, she did university courses to secure a bachelor degree in education and master's degree in Sanskrit. और उसके बाद ही कॉलेज के बाद उन्होंने क्या किया? She secured her degree, bachelor's degree in education और master's degree in Sanskrit. ये दोनों डिग्रीज भी ली उन्होंने इसके बाद में. Okay, oral response questions. How did Bachendri Pal want to impress her family? So Bachendri Pal impressed her family by studying at night on her own. Studied at night on her own, and this determination of hers, it impressed the family. What did she do to earn money in her spare time? Bachendri Pal earned money in her spare time by sewing. Okay, Bachendri Pal earned money by sewing in her spare time. Question number 3. In what did she get first position? She got first position in a rifle shooting event. She got first position in a rifle shooting competition. Question number 4. In which subject did she complete her MA? उन्होंने अपना MA किसमें complete किया? She completed her MA in a master's degree in Sanskrit. Okay. The family was going through financial troubles and she needed a job desperately. Now, Bachendri Pal's family, as we know, it was not great financially. Bachendri Pal's family was very poor. And that's why Bachendri Pal needed a job desperately. इसलिए Bachendri Pal को जल्दी से जल्दी एक जॉब चाहिए था ताकि वो अपनी फैमिली को पैसा कमा के दे सके. However, she was not interested in the offers that were coming to her. But she was not interested in the offers, in the job offers जो उनके पास आ रहे थे. बचेंद्री पाल को बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लग रहे थे. Why? In spite of these achievements, इतना सब कुछ अचीव करने के बाद, इतनी पढ़ाई करने के बाद, बैचलर्स डिग्री इन एजुकेशन, मास्टर्स डिग्री इन संस्कृत, इतनी डिग्रीज लेने के बाद भी, the job offers that came to her were low paid temporary and junior level positions. इतना सब पढ़ने के बाद भी उनके पास जो जॉब्स आ रहे थे वो बहुत कम सैलरी वाले थे और जूनियर लेवल वाले थे. So Bachendri applied to Nehru Institute of Mountaineering for a course. तो बचेंद्री पाल ने क्या किया? नेहरू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ माउंटेनियरिंग के लिए अप्लाई कर दिया. She was aiming to become a professional mountaineer. Okay, so now Bachendri Pal was aiming to become a professional mountaineer. उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो एक माउंटेनियर बनेगी. Her family was in despair. Why? For her family and relatives and other people, the most suitable job for a woman was teaching, not mountaineering. लेकिन उसकी फैमिली को लगता था कि माउंटेनियरिंग लड़कियों के लिए एक अच्छा जॉब नहीं है. दैट्स वाई उनकी फैमिली बहुत मुसीबत में पड़ गई. बट दैट डिड नॉट डिस्करेज हर. लेकिन बचेंद्री पाल का भरोसा फिर भी नहीं टूटा. Okay, children, thank